What's going on, everybody? As you can tell by the videos that I make, I am a musician. My main instrument is drums. Duh. I got some new mics I wanted to test out for all y'all today. Audio Technica ATM230 3-pack. Now, I use Sennheiser 604s on my toms, and I use a Sennheiser 421 on my floor tom. I've always been happy with that combination, but there were some other guys that were in here the other day doing a session, and they had recommended these microphones. So we're going to do a little shootout. If you don't already have them on, you should put on headphones now. 604 on the rack, 604 on the rack, 421 on the floor. Okay, now this is the listening test. So what we're going to do is play it through once with effects on and once without effects. We're going to start with the E604s and the 421. Same thing, dry. Doing the same thing, but this time we're going to solo the toms. Still dry, no effects. Did the old switcheroo, ATM 2030s, all the way around. I can already tell the wave is a lot bigger. I did not change any of the settings on the interface. Same thing, no effects. Same thing, soloed toms. Wow. I gotta say, man, I'm pretty impressed. They don't sound bad at all, and they're like a fraction of the cost. You can get a 3-pack for $349, something like that. I think the 3-pack of the Sennheiser 604s are $399, and just a 421 by itself is like $300. So I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna try it out, do some tracks for some people with them, and kind of roll with it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments if you'd like, what you could hear. And I'm also going to give these a shot playing out, doing live gigs and stuff. So thanks for watching. See ya!